So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be understanding the trick to remember the complete periodic table. And guys, this trick is going to be basically in Hindi. So for understanding that, let's move on to my book. Hey guys, we are on my book now, and as you can see over here, I have basically already drawn 18 groups. As you can see over here, I have already drawn 18 groups. Now the next thing that I am going to do is that I am going to divide these 18 groups into 4 periods. Okay, so I'm going to divide them into 4 periods now. So now, after dividing them into 4 periods, the next job that I have to do is that I have to increase the first two groups. So I increase the first two groups by 2 periods. So I have to add 2 new periods to the first two groups, only to the first two groups, guys. Okay, so I'm done with this now. Now, the next thing that I need to do is that I need to increase the 6 groups from the right side. So the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So I need to add 2 more periods to the 6 groups from the right hand side. So I am going to increase them. Okay. So as you can see here, I have added 2 more periods to the 6 group from the right hand side. Now the last thing that you need to do is that you need to increase one more block over here, that is one more position for helium, and you have to draw a box for hydrogen which is in the center. Okay, now let us start with our mnemonic. Okay, so for the first period, hi, hi, hello, listen, b, b, c, news on Friday night. See, I repeat myself again. Hi, hello, listen, B, B, C news on Friday night. Hi, hello, listen, B, B, C news on Friday night. Okay, so I hope the first 10 elements are clear for you. Now, moving ahead. This is going to be in Hindi now. No mango, no mango, Allah से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और I repeat myself again. No mango, अल्लाह से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और. Okay, so here you have got the first 18 elements on your periodic table. Now for the first group, लीना लीना की रब से फरियाद. I repeat myself again. लीना की रब से CS फरियाद. लीना की रब से फरियाद. Now for the second group, बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप राजी. I repeat myself again. बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप राजी. Okay, clear up to here. Now for the fourth period now. Okay, for the fourth period, this is the second, third and fourth period now. Science teacher very cruel man. Science teacher very cruel man. फेको निकू झिंक. Science teacher very cruel man. फेको, we say throw in Hindi as फेको. Science teacher very cruel man. फेको निकू झिंक. फेको निकू झिंक. Okay, now for the fifth period. So for the fifth period, युवराज जहीर नाकामयाब, युवराज जहीर नाकामयाब, मोंगिया तेंदुलकर रनआउट, रह गए पकड़ते अगरकर की चड्डी. I repeat myself again. युवराज जहीर नाकामयाब, मोंगिया तेंदुलकर रनआउट, रह गए पकड़ते अगरकर की चड्डी. For cricket lovers, this will be the best mnemonic. Okay, now moving ahead to the second last period, that is nothing but the sixth period. ला हफ्ता, ला हफ्ता, वरना, रहमान, उस्मान, इरफान, पिटेंगे और हंसेंगे. Okay, so ला हफ्ता, वरना, रहमान, उस्मान, इरफान, पिटेंगे और हंसेंगे. Now let's move on to the last one, that is अक्सर, रफ, दरबारी संग, बहुत, हंस, मत, दुष्ट, रुलाएगा, सुनाएगा. I repeat myself again. अक्सर, रफ, दरबारी संग, बहुत, हंस, मत, दुष्ट, रुलाएगा, सुनाएगा. Okay, now guys, moving ahead for, I think this is our 13th group. Okay, so for the 13th group, बाल, बाल गए, बाल गए, इंसान टकला, बाल गए, इंसान टकला. Okay, now moving ahead guys, see, as I told you all that you all must know the halogens, and these halogens will be by hearted to you all as you do chemistry in 11th and 12th standard. So don't need to worry about that. Very soon you will get to know this: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay, so fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are common for you all as you learn chemistry in 11th and 12th. You will get to learn them by heart while learning only, so don't need to worry about this. Similarly with the inert gases or the noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are similarly like your rhyming words: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, so these two groups are easy for you all to remember, no need to worry about them. Now for the remaining 9 positions over here, how do I remember? I'm going to tell you all. टकले पब भी पहुंचा, टकले पब भी पहुंचा. Okay, so we are now remaining with only 6. इंसान सुन सब तेरा, इंसान सुन सब तेरा. Okay, and remaining 3, I remember them as गा गीत ऐसे, गा गीत ऐसे. Okay, done. And as we all know that at the position of lanthanum we are having 14 more, so you don't need to worry about those all 14. You just need to remember that the lanthanide series starts with cerium and it ends with lutetium. So you just need to remember the starting and the ending one. Okay, and for this actinide series, the actinide series starts with TH, that is nothing but thorium, and it ends with lawrencium. So this is quite easy for you all to remember. Okay, so just for quick revision, I'm going to revise all the mnemonics again. Okay, so hi, hello, hi, hello, listen BBC news on Friday night. Okay, then न मांगो अल्लाह से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और. Okay, done till here. Then we move on to the first group. लीना की रब से फरियाद. बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप राजी. साइंस टीचर वेरी क्रूएल मैन. साइंस टीचर वेरी क्रूएल मैन. फेको निकू जिंक. डन टिल हियर. देन युवराज जहीर नाकामयाब. मोंगिया तेंदुलकर रनआउट. रह गए पकड़ते अगर कर की चड्डी. देन वी मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड लास्ट पीरियड. ला हफ्ता वरना रहमान उस्मान इरफान पिटेंगे और हंसेंगे. देन अक्सर रफ दरबारी संग बहुत हंस मत दुष्ट रुलाएंगे सुनाएंगे. देन we come to the this 13th group. बाल गए इंसान टकला. बाल गए इंसान टकला. Then we move on to the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and your estradine. Then helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Done till here. Then what we did was that टकले पब भी पहुंचा. टकले पब भी पहुंचा. इंसान सब तेरा. इंसान सब तेरा. Done. Then गा गीत ऐसे. And then we have to just remember the starting and the ending element of the lanthanide series, that is nothing but cerium and the ending one is lutetium. And for AC the starting one is thorium and the ending one is Lr, that is nothing but lawrencium. Okay. So guys, I hope remembering this is not as difficult. You'll just need to revise this for hardly 7 to 8 times and you will be clear with this. Now comes the important point, guys, that how you can remember the atomic numbers of all these elements. See, the basic thing that we know is that the first period consists of only 2 elements. Am I right? Then the second period consists of 8 elements. So 2 plus 8 gives you 10. Then the third period consists of another 8 elements. So 10 plus 8 will give you 18. And as we all know that the fourth period consists of 18 more elements. So 18 plus 18 is going to give you 36. Similarly, the fifth period consists of 18 more. So 36 plus 18 is going to give you 54. Okay. Then as we all know that the sixth period consists of 32. So 54 plus 32 is going to give you 86. Now after you remember this, see, suppose I want to find out what is the atomic number of cobalt. So what I am going to do is that I am going to start from the previous period end. So argon's atomic number is 18. Am I right? So 18, I come to the starting of this period. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So the atomic number of cobalt is nothing but 27. Okay. Similarly, you can also count the atomic number as 36. See, krypton is having atomic number 36. So 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28 or 27. It depends upon you. Either you start with the ending element of previous period or you can just come reverse like that. Similarly, if I want to find out for Te, so what I am going to do, 54 for is for xenon. So the atomic number of xenon is 54, 53, 52. So guys, you can, so from this you can not only remember the name of the elements, but you are now able to know the atomic number of any element that you want to. Just need to focus over here that guys, here the xenon ends at 54. Am I right? So 54, 55, 56, and guys here there are 57 and plus 58 to 71. Am I right? Here there is lanthanide series also. So after 57, here you have to start with direct 72. Am I right? Because in this position there is not only element with atomic number 57, but plus there are also elements with atomic number 58 to 71. So when you move to after lanthanum, you need to start with 72. Am I right? Similarly here after 86 you need to go over here 87, 88, and here not only 89 but elements with 89 plus 90 to 103 are present over here. So when you start with RF, you have to start with 104. So just keep these things in mind. These don't do mistake over here. Okay. So guys, do check out my channel where I have uploaded physics and chemistry videos. They might be helpful for y'all. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching this video.